Yo, this is so sick.
Oh, wow.
What the heck is this?
So cool.
A real-life supply drop from Fortnite.
What?
Samsung Galaxy Note 9.
Fortnite Black.
It's got my name on it.
Are these my actual stats?
Don't know if I want to show these.
Whoa, look at this.
Behold the glory.
The Galaxy skin.
That's a bad boy right there.
They didn't tell me what was going to be in this box.
Ooh, this is a custom Galaxy skin hat.
They're Galaxy glasses.
Quick little hat switch.
Guess I don't need these anymore.
How do I look?
Is there anything else hiding away?
Samsung Galaxy Note 9.
Hello?
Yeah, can't wait to open it up and see what it looks like.
I'm so excited.
About to play some Fortnite.
Let's see if I can get some kills.
Wish me luck.
Nope, nope, nope.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's a that's no! It got melted. It's lived up to the hype.
I'm kind of shocked how smooth this is.
Feels just like playing on desktop. Got him.
It's got that water carbon cooling system.
You can play hours and hours on this and the battery is gonna be fine. I feel like this is the perfect gaming phone.
I've waited so long for this moment.
This is huge.